Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add sliding icon box widget in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Elementor page. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write unlimited elements for Elementor. So this is plugin we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see unlimited elements and then you see widget, so click on it. So we are in widget section and then you see category content boxes and then find here sliding icon image. Now you see sliding icon box, so click on install. Now this widget install. Now go to Elementor page and refresh the page. So we are in Elementor page and then in search widget write here sliding and then you see sliding icon box, so drag and drop here. Now you see this widget added sliding icon box, so when we hover on it, now you see, so you can set color scheme according to requirement. On left side you see content style and then you see title, description, link, so you can add icon also. Now scroll up, you see style, so click on it. Now you see background color, so you can set according to requirement. And then you see background color hover, minimum height, now you see. And then you see icon, so you can set icon color also, typography, so you can do setting according to requirement and then click on publish. Now publish done, go to website page and refresh the page and then you see sliding icon box, so when we hover on it, now you see, so this is our link. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.